This is a stainless steel electric kettle. I got it in silver, but it comes in other colors. Has this little temperature gauge feature, which is really cute and actually nice to have. And it has an auto shut off, the temperature monitor. It makes about 7 cups and it heats it really quickly. So that's why I prefer it to a kettle. Has the open and shut top, a really nice handle that stays cool. And I just think it looks so cute on the countertop. You can get other colors to match your kitchen, but I love this one.